Yeah.
Do the math, and that's 0.3 gigawatt hours per hour, 24 hours a day. That's going to be added to the grid every year as a result. And right now they're exporting power, but still at times importing it. It's unless they continually build out energy production, it's going to be tough times ahead. Energy costs, it's very cheap in Quebec right now.
Len, it's just cold in Quebec. Like, you can't have battery-powered cars in Quebec 7 months of the year, especially as you get up like north of Quebec City, north of Montreal. Like, what is the plan? Some of those places are covered in snow. When I was taking my French lessons, the instructor was in where was she? She was in a little place like Trois-Rivières, maybe. And like, you know, I would be talking to her at 2 PM in like, you know, February or January, and it would be dark behind her. The window was black. You know, her kid would come home from school and like, it's dark outside, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. You don't understand how cold and how difficult that environment is. And also don't forget that these people they don't like, you know, they have a reliance on those fuels, not because those fuels are necessarily, you know, cheap. It's expensive to buy gas in some of those places, I'm sure, but they just work. And so when you talk about emergency vehicles, yeah, we're not going to go that direction. Well, why? Because we need them to work. What are you going to do about like Amazon drivers, post drivers? You know, like, are those guys going to be restricted to EVs? Like, Amazon's not going to play that game. They're just going to say, okay, well,
there are some Amazon trucks